Welcome to srlucienne.com. I am pleased to have you looking at my website. I believe that you are looking for more details. Oh, yes. My desires are to share the best I receive from God with those who are thirsty, tired, with heavy loads. With heavy loads. Let me tell you exactly what I receive from God. Grace and mercy, peace, love, joy. When we go to Matthew 11, verse 28, Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are tired with heavy loads, I will give you rest." Oh, yes, I was tired. Isaiah 55, verse 1 says, "Come, everyone who is thirsty, he is water." I was thirsty. Jesus is the living water. I was thirsty. In the book of John 7:37, Jesus said, "If anyone is thirsty, let him come to me. Drink." John 4, verse 14, Jesus said, "Whoever drinks the water I give him will never thirst." I was thirsty. I was tired with heavy loads. And Jesus set me free. That's all I want to share with you. May the Lord bless you. Be patient. Much more will come soon and very soon. Okay.